What's up, guys? We got something very exciting today. We're going to do an unboxing. Oh, I'm freaking pumped. I got a brand new weightlifting belt. We got it from our friends. Of course, some of the best belts in the entire world are made by Pioneer Belts. General Leathercraft is the name of the parent company, but a lot of people know them by Pioneer Belts. So I'm super excited. We got some custom ordered and it just arrived. So here it is in FedEx and we're just gonna go through the whole thing with you guys. Got my knife because we're gonna need to jump into this thing. So yeah, Pioneer is based out of Coleman, Texas, and they ship their belts all the way across the world. Their belts have been worn in numerous record-breaking lifts, world record-breaking lifts, 1,000-pound squats, things like that. So when you want to talk about quality, you're going to be looking at a short list of belts if you want to get the real deal. And Pioneer is definitely at the top. We had the privilege of interviewing Matt, who's their president, on one of the episodes of Steady Focused. And anyway, so I'm super excited for that. So here we go. We're going to tear this bad boy open and we're going to find out what's inside. All right. Yeah, there we go. Pioneer, baby. Let's go. Got me a good sticker. I need one of those. Got a good postcard here. We would like to thank you personally for your order. We strive to manufacture the highest quality products on the market. If there's anything we can do to make your buying experience better, we would love to hear your feedback. And guys, I got to tell you, my experience with Pioneer has been nothing but the best. My other belt that I have, it's a 4-inch, and I have the Pioneer adjustable lever that I use. It is incredible. Jayme over at Pioneer, she helped me get this custom belt dialed in. We went back and forth for like 4 days. What do we want it to look like? How's it going to look? I knew I wanted it to be something around a snake, but I wasn't really for sure what we were going to end up doing. Jayme, you're awesome. Matt, you're awesome. The entire crew over at Pioneer is just amazing. So, let's see what we got in here. Got some packaging. This is the patent pending Pioneer adjustable lever. So you guys, anyone that has a lever belt, you know they're awesome, but kind of the drawback to those is you're limited on how tight you can get it depending on the day and whatever. And if traditionally, if you want to tighten up your lever belt, you have to completely move, unscrew the screws for the lever belt. But anyway, this thing is incredible. Depending on how tight you want it for the day, maybe you're a little bloated, maybe you've lost a little bit of weight, you've got multiple options instantly, and I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so went with, of course, all black for the Pioneer adjustable lever. You guys can get this in all kinds of different colors. If you want to get your own custom belt, go check it out. Pioneer belts, look them up. No, this isn't sponsored. I'm just a huge fan. And so I want to go with the 3-inch deadlift belt. My good friend Mike Battolino has been telling me, man, go with the 3-inch versus the 4. It's not as tall, not as wide, but it will help me get into position for my lift. So here we go. Are you ready for this? Red Python. Oh man. So that's it, guys. Red Python. Wow. How freaking sweet is that? Check this out. So this is red and black Python. And we got on the inside is black suede. It's a 3-inch belt, so it's going to help me get into position easier with deadlifts. We got the black trim around the top, and then we're going to have the lever, the adjustable lever going around here. So, man, I love it. This looks great. It smells awesome. Wow, very cool. So yeah, big freaking shout out to my friends at Pioneer. If you guys want to work with them, if you want to get a custom belt, reach out to them. I'm so excited. Be looking forward to seeing this in some of my deadlift videos. Ah.